What's up, guys? Today I wanted to talk to you real quick about this Insta360 selfie stick. This is probably the most lightweight selfie stick that I personally have ever had. I've been doing full-time content creation for about 2 years now, and I absolutely love using this. I actually use it with a GoPro as well as an Insta360 X5, and it works great with both. It's really easy to use. Just extend the selfie stick. There's no locking mechanism or anything like that. So really easy to use and just kind of put anywhere you need it. I also really appreciate this rubberized coating like you can see there. I snowboard a ton with this thing, so having something that you can grip onto is really helpful. I've never had it slip or fall out of my hands because the grip is actually pretty solid. The top, really easy to use, just screw right onto an Insta360, or if I'm using a GoPro, I use a tripod mount for it, and then mount the GoPro on top of that. Also has a mount on the bottom of the stick, so you could attach potentially like a tripod. That's what I use it mostly for. And then you can have it just stand right up and do interview style stuff or time lapses, anything like that. But overall, really great selfie stick. I would highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.